आजादी सुन ले मोदी आजादी सुन ले मोदी आजादी बाप भी देगा आजादी शेर चलेंगे आजादी लड़ चलेंगे आजादी वीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
मैं कल भी एक जगह देखा मैं क्या साजिद बोलो साहब बात बोलना थे सब तो पहले तो मैं थोड़ा सारे का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। मैं मेरी प्लीज इफ समबडी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड पंजाबी मैं कोशिश करना आज मेरा खास कर दिल कर रहा पंजाबी थोड़ा क्योंकि बड़ा लिमिटेड होता है उत्थे अमरीका भी मैं खास करके थोड़े जेह्ड़े पंजाबी ना बोलना ते मेरा इशू बन जाता ते मैं थोड़ा शुक्रिया अदा करना तुसीं आए खास कर जेह्ड़े दोस्त एयरपोर्ट ते आए that was very special and especially on working day. I'm very humble, I'm very thankful that तुसीं आए उत्थे मेरे वास्ते I'm taking a lot of debt from here. ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ एक कर्ज होंदे मैं कर्ज लेके जा रहा और इंशाल्लाह I will try to मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा अपने कौंसल जनरल साहब عنوان चौधरी साहब ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਵਾਸ਼ਿੰਗਟਨ ਡੀਸੀ ਦੇ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ and he is very popular civil servant, he is a wonderful individual. मेरे उत्थे दोस्त हैं आजकल ਜਿਹੜੇ ambassador ਸਾਹਿਬ ही असर जी साहब he has spoken very highly about him. I'm so pleased that he came. I'm humble, I'm honored that he is his president. बार्सिलोना होने वास्ते मैं एक मेन काज ये सी कि मेरा नेफ्यू महमान तारड़ थे he is among us. He has spent a longer time here. He is most of you those are here they know him. Barcelona I take him as a second home. दूजा है कि I'm from Mandi Mahodin. There is a lot of people from Mandi Mahodin and मेरा थोड़ा जा introduction है कि I was born in Mandi Mahodin. I studied in Islamabad. I went to Punjab University, then I went to USA as a law student. So I've gone to law school twice, and I consider myself a political scientist, and I see myself as a political worker, which I have been very active since the day I went there. My background is my family has a background of political contributions. और दूसरी सब तो बड़ी गल है कि इस तो बड़ा काज किहड़ा हो सकदा कश्मीर वास्ते आवाज उठाना. I consider myself Kashmiri since this happened, and I have been fighting for Kashmir from that. And it's not a favor I'm doing; it's my moral obligation, and that's what we all of us we have the moral obligations to stand. Then I want to tell you at this point what is going on in the U.S. and where the U.S. and Donald Trump administration stand at the Kashmir issue. ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਬਲੀਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਾਂ कि अल्लाह ताला ने ज़ात ने कश्मीर की हेल्प करनी एंड आई हैव सीन मिरेकल्स. मैं तो दसांगा खास करके पिछले पीरियड जिस टाइम मोदी हैड द हाउडी इवेंट एट द टेक्सास हाउ द इंडियन डिड देयर उन्होंने दे इन्वेस्टेड $20 billion to flex their muscle to show their wealth and the job creation and the political. ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ $5 million they gave it to Donald Trump election campaign. $3 million उन्होंने स्टेज ते लाया. 2200 उन्होंने दा वॉलंटियर पूरे इंडिया जो इकट्ठा होया. 60,000 बंदे उन्होंने इकट्ठे किए टू शो द स्ट्रेंथ. और इसके बावजूद 22 उन्होंने कांग्रेसमैन इकट्ठे किए स्टेज ते 8 सेनेटर और प्रेसिडेंट साहब बेसिकली लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर सो द प्रेसिडेंट वेंट देयर बट they could not win him. They could not do any matter of fact president when he came and he spoke at the United Nations General Assembly. Especially with the Prime Minister عنوان Khan, he said that he trusts Pakistan and he trusts عنوان Khan. That was a remarkable thing. At the same time, I wanted to tell you, which most of the people don't know that, U.S. is not only having a tariff war with China, they are having a war with India as well, and because they have been taking advantage of the free trade agreements and a lot of different things. And during that the session, there was a negotiation going on in the part of Washington D.C. and they left empty. Tariff war is still going on. Not only this, but the U.S. has reservations on many fronts, especially when they were buying armaments from France and they have been dealing with Iran with the oil and everything. So they have reservations. So they are not lovey-dovey with India, with most of the people there. And plus, at the same time, I want to tell you, I have been supporting Donald Trump before the campaign, and Donald Trump has offered arbitration before election, but that offer was not that strong that time. I told somebody yesterday, when the president of the free world, when the president of America offered the arbitration, which it does, it has a huge weight on that issue. Not only this, sab to pehle the Kashmir da masla ujagar hunda hai कि there is an issue. और उस तो बाद है कि when he talked about arbitration, India has to think twice why he's repeating that again and again. So I think that Donald Trump is standing behind Kashmir. He's standing with Pakistan. I'm pretty sure. And not only this, the State Department has expressed their concern and reservations several times. Even then, during the Modi's trip in the U.S., Alice Wales and the other State Department representative, they have asked them to restore the human, the fundamental human, the civil rights and the rest of the stuff. So this is a perception. And then afterwards, what is going on, what I have contributed, I'm continuously talking to the legislators, I'm talking to the senators, and I'm telling the congressmen, because that's the thing we can do. Otherwise, you know that the how. I always have told Pakistan and the establishment of Pakistan, the biggest threat right now, Pakistan and the rest of the world is facing, is the Indian-American lobby in the US. They are the second strongest lobby after the Jewish lobby in the US. So that what we can do is, and which is I'm planning to request you here as well, that aaj bhi tusi wapas jao, that for God's sake, send them the letters to your legislators, even then if you are legal or you're not legal, it doesn't matter. But make sure you Google the name of your representative and send your, tell them what is going on in Kashmir. It's not that difficult at all. The second thing I wanted to ask you, कि तुसी जिस टाइम भी दिहाड़ी च पानी पींदे हो, जिस टाइम भी गर्म खाना खाते हो, जिस टाइम भी दवाई लेंदे हो, कोई इलाज कराते हो, तो think about Kashmir. और खास कर तुसी इस हर चीज दे नाल दुआ करें. हजरत अली दा कॉल है, कहते कुफर दी हुकूमत नाल काम चल सकता है, लेकिन जुल्म दी हुकूमत ज्यादा आसान नहीं चल सकती. और जिस तरह कि मैं पहले टच कर रहा था कि खुदाई मदद जड़ी है वो कश्मीर के नाल होएगी, किस तरह होएगी, क्योंकि according to the as a political scientist, that's what I wanted to tell you. What Modi is doing to India, he is not doing good for India. He's dangerous for India itself. Because India, the way the India is going on right now, the Hindustan is for Hindus only. That phenomenon is a very dangerous phenomenon. ਉੱਥੇ 23 ਕਰੋੜ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਨੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਦੂਜੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕੌਮਾਂ ਆਬਾਦ ਨੇ. How it is possible? How long they can play this game? And not only this, I tell you this, whatever he has done to Kashmir, he has contributed towards the freedom. मैं पहले सोचता होता था दो बारी कश्मीर, I feel today that in my life, frankly speaking, I have desired to go there to Lal Chowk. I have desired to go to the Dal Jheel. I did enjoy, and I will, and all of us will do it. Because the way he's behaving in India, he's pushing India for the freedom, and it's going to happen pretty soon. Why? At the same time, I always tell my friends, whatever is going on in India today, we are watching it, and the only single message they are sending us that we have to be united, we have to be stronger. I always request wherever I go, is a very, आज इस चीज़ की बड़ी सख्त ज़रूरत है. Please दिन के बीच कम से कम एक घंटा Indian channel ज़रूर watch करें करो. वो की वजह है कि we need to know कि साडे neighbor साडे वास्ते की सोच रहे हैं, what is cooking there. It's very important. So please do that. दूसरा, wherever I go, I'm a third generation lawyer myself. एक चीज़ जड़ी है खास मैं learn की थी है. और मैं आज रिक्वेस्ट को सारे भी करांगा कि प्लीज अपने बच्चे उन्हें लॉ दी एजुकेशन जरूर दियो. दूसरा उस तो बाद मैं कहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान साड़ी जान है, लेकिन तुहाड़ियां स्पेन वास्ते भी वफादारियां होनियां चाहिए ने. We are here this Spain or wherever we are, they are feeding our kids, they are accepting us with open arms. So make sure you are loyal to Spain. और मेरा दिल करता है और मेरा दिल करता है कि मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम आवां ते साडा एक एमपी होना चाहिए जेड़ा पाकिस्तान दी आवाज हर जगह इंशाअल्लाह. we are behind in the USA as well. थोड़ी जिस तरह गल 15-20 साल होए तो आया सन भी उत्थे जाने तकरीबन 25-30 साल 25 साल होए होंगे 80 से ज़्यादा immigration हुई है. After this I have intentions to run for Congress myself. I'm looking at the district. My son is looking for the district as well. और सन भी उत्थे जरूरत है Pakistani descendant congressman दी जेह्ड़ी असी we should take the country to the next level, to serve our countries, to serve our religion more better. So this is what is going on. मेरा आखिर दे विच एक चीज़ जेह्ड़ी मैं कल वादा कर रहा था कि मैं एक नज़म लिखी कश्मीर के बारे में which reflects my feelings for Kashmir. वो मैं थोड़ी नज़र करना चाहूँगा. खुदा नायक कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. जान है पाकिस्तान, प्यार है कश्मीर. जान है पाकिस्तान, प्यार है कश्मीर. आजादी देखेगा जल्द लाल चौक. है ये मेरा ईमान, कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. दुनिया भूल चुकी है गौरियो बाबर. दुनिया भूल चुकी है गौरियो बाबर. रुका ना ये जुल्म तो बना देंगे इनका कब्रिस्तान. कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. एक एक इंच का लेंगे हिसाब. एक एक इंच का लेंगे हिसाब. लो ना हमारे सब्र का इम्तिहान. कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. हम हैं गाजी, हम हैं मुसलमान. जल्द ही बंद कर देंगे इन सब की जुल्म की दुकान. कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. तुमने दिया है धोखा, तुमने डाला है डाका. जालिम तुमने किया है इरादा लूटने का मेरा गुलिस्तान. कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. मेरे साथ है आज सारा बार्सलोना. मेरे साथ है आज सारा बार्सलोना. मेरा है कश्मीर, मेरी है ढल झील. मेरी है ढल झील. मेरे कश्मीर पे है मेरी जान भी कुर्बान. जब मेरे कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान. Once again, मैं कल भी किसी कह रहा था कि I'm trying to see all of your faces and take them into my mind. My mind is recording everything and I wanted to play that for the rest of my life. And जेड़ा तुसी इतना प्यार दे के जा रहे हो, तुसी कभी भी Washington DC आओ. If you ever have any issue regarding Pakistan in Washington DC, consider you have a brother there. So please get in contact. Once again, thank you for coming. Thank you. Serious up for that. Thank you. इतना प्यार. God bless you all.